We recently went to San Diego to visit One Step Vending. Vending is not a sexy business, but these guys have a unique take on it. What they're doing is they're ripping out vending machines and putting in little convenience stores into corporate offices. What happens is the money that you make goes up 500% because you're selling people what they actually want at a higher price, and you're paying for the installation in 6 months. So these things are going to start throwing off a ton of cash, and you actually have an opportunity to expand the business model far beyond, potato chips and sodas. Let's go visit the company now. We just shot some video.
I'm Mark Miller, and I'm the brains behind San Diego Micro Markets. We see the opportunity as the ability to replace the vending industry with a more open and friendly and frankly sexier version of a vending machine. It's sort of self-checkout at the grocery store meets the vending machine. So I've been in the vending business 13 years. The vending business is nationwide, is a multi-billion-dollar industry. What we're looking for is someplace like this where you're in an office break room. The same people have access to it every day. They become more familiar with it, and we build more of a relationship with our customers. We know what sells at a particular location. We have a little bit more respect for the machine that's here. One of the things that we want to focus on is having sort of less hardware all the way around, focusing more on the product, more on the customer service side of things. When we go in, we have a huge competitive advantage over taking over a location that already has vending machines, but we also have the ability to provide a lot more variety, and because of that, the sales go way up. And that's really how we're seeing sales going from 1 to 5x, in the exact same location with the exact same people there. I see myself as uniquely positioned to create a product that we're going to test here in San Diego and then ultimately roll out as a product for other operators to use nationwide. If the vending industry is a multi-billion-dollar market, we don't see any reason why those micro markets won't take individually that market to 5 times the size it is now, because a micro market placed in a location typically does 5 times as well as a vending machine. So the retail floor space that we're able to get in someone's office, we don't have to pay the light bill, we don't have to pay for the floor space, and what we're taking advantage of is that we're in a location where people are, a large portion of their lives. The only thing that would be better would be to have a store in their living room.